Hello everyone. Are you tired of the negative thought patterns that keep running inside your head? When something's bothering you, you know that getting your mind off it is easier said than done. In fact, research shows that when people are instructed not to think about a specific topic, it makes it even harder to get that topic out of their minds. But rehashing negative thoughts over and over in your head, also known as rumination, can be unpleasant and counterproductive, and in some cases it can even lead to chronic depression. In this video, we will share with you 5 practical ways that can help you stop dwelling on negative thoughts and refocus your mind on something positive. It just takes a bit of distraction and a healthy dose of willpower. First point, go shopping in your mind. One distraction is to visualize yourself in the grocery store. Try to picture all of the items on one shelf in the store and the order that you see them in. Don't do a lot of food shopping. Think about something else that requires concentration. The order of books on your bookshelf, or the order of songs in an album or playlist you like to listen to. You don't have to do it for long, maybe 30 seconds or a minute. But the key is to be disciplined about it and do it each time that negative thought comes back, even if that means doing it 20 times an hour. It may seem temporary, but if you reinforce these patterns enough, it can improve your mood and your decision-making abilities. You can actually train your brain to go in a different direction when these thoughts come up. Second point. Start focusing on the tangible objects and sounds around you. Another way to get out of the negative thought patterns is to bring your focus to the present moment. You can do so by focusing on the tangible things around you. For example, you are in your room and a particular thought has been bothering you and you just can't stop your mind from having that thought and it keeps on multiplying. In that case, just focus on the tangible things in your room and the sounds that are available. You can start observing the fan or AC in your room and also the sound it generates. Don't make any judgments and just observe those objects and sounds. This way, you can break the chain of negative thoughts and it ends easily. Third point, asking your mind to postpone the thoughts for 15 minutes. Whenever you have a distorted thought, stop and simply say this to your mind. Whatever the thing is that you are thinking, you shall postpone that for 15 minutes and then you will focus on that thought later again. For example, you have a very important job interview tomorrow and your mind is just generating negative thoughts, which all are making you feel weak and less confident. In that case, just say this, I'll think about the interview after 15 minutes. Even if it's really important, still I'll take a break of 15 minutes and then I'll think what will happen. When you do this, your mind stops for a while and you are successfully able to break the negative thinking chain. If the thoughts are still coming, just take a long breath and say it again. 15 more minutes. Then we will see what can we do. But for now, let's not think about it for 15 minutes. Try this out, it really works. Fourth point, stop leading your thoughts with I should. Should statements can contribute to anxious thought patterns because they put a demand on you that's sometimes impossible to live up to. Everyone makes mistakes. Instead of saying, I should go to the gym every day, say this, I will try my best to go to the gym every day. Instead of saying, I should eat healthier, say this, I can eat healthier today by doing these things. And sometimes, feeling like you should do, act or feel a certain way adds just enough pressure that you end up procrastinating or avoiding a responsibility or activity completely. For some, this just leads to more anxious thinking. So, listen to your thoughts. Are you telling yourself you should do things? What's a kind of way of keeping yourself motivated to stay on the track without spiraling through a negative thought pattern? So always remember, there's no one right way to do something. Mistakes are a part of our growth. Fifth point, focus on gratitude. Gratitude is underrated by most, but it's essential to a happy life. Life doesn't get easier, but we become stronger as we reframe difficulties by recognizing all of the little good things going on around us. Keep a good list and refer to it daily. Also, focus on what you really want and be very specific. A focused, positive mind will attract what it is seeking over time. When you wake up, open your eyes and feel gratitude for the new day. Write down daily affirmations. I love the people I work with. I make positive contributions every day, etc. Try any of these methods and see how things work for you. Let us know in the comment section. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.